before we get into this video, please go check out this album by Sasha Kayz, Things Change 2. I promise you it's a banger, guys.
Yes,
link to the album will be in the description.
Guys,
you know we always bring you bangers, guys. Trust us.
Guys,
just go check it out.
Please go and check it out.
Do it for us. Do it for us.
Please.
Sasha Kayz, Things Change 2. Link in the description. Yes, sir.
I want your dog. Flex when I wasn't involved. Young nigga looking involved. Don't want no problems at all. Not at all.
And we're back with another video, guys. Your boy Kayzano, and I'm here with.
Yes, sir. Kayzano. Vibes.
Alright, so guys, today we're reacting to Tanto Wavie, Mabude, guys.
Mabude. Well, that was the first one, right?
Mabude.
Mabude.
Yes, I got
Mabude.
As you can see, guys, Taitama, guys, so the vibe. Amasungura,
my wing. It's burning.
Oh,
here.
Tanto Wavie, guys. Shout out to Tanto Wavie, guys.
Shout out.
Go check out the full EP. Link will be in the description. And hope you like this video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Go subscribe to my boy's channel. Without further ado, guys, let's get into the video, guys. Please comment down below because we missed you guys. Want to hear from you guys what you missed about us. Please comment down below, subscribe. Let's get to 10K as soon as possible.
You know the vibes.
Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
Boy with the kid. Munu wese angori magi.
Adadovotaka urukanza kabase kari kutiza man. Kari kuita kutekenyedza. Uzotekenyedza man. Kuti
kari kugwina.
Mira ukanza man.
Kana taro mabude atidzikizve kumanya mambure ndo mabude acho kana tasangana zvedu kunodya mari yacho kungoti murudo siva mumwe wako ndiwo mabude iwe ndiwo mabude eka ndiwo mabude yacho. Kana toa mabude mawani ototanga inini negengi rangu kune mafaro totonanga chatinongodaisa undi kana tapinda muraundi tire kuzundoza undi rinofadza vakawanda fonerai marabha ivi auye kunoneskangi kudhakwa zvokuti
azonerechi waibata saka tachitaura kuti
azviiti iwe uri kunzwa amasungureka azviiti uri soba azviiti ndaramba guys aiwa vanagawerera madhazi
kudhakwa zvekuti vanhu vanoti antipangi tijiitswinya chingoma chinopa wachiwedzera mawatsi shoni turifaunda vemabude ndivo vandomabude acho kana tasangana zvedu kunodya mari yacho kungoti murudo siva mumwe wako ndiwo mabude iwe ndiwo mabude eka ndiwo mabude yacho. Kana tasangana zvedu kunodya mari yacho kungoti murudo siva mumwe wako ndiwo mabude iwe ndiwo mabude eka ndiwo mabude yacho.
atisikiza aita sei atisikiza chichaitika aiwa atisikiza atijairira atijairira amwe matreka angachimboti apa atisikiza aiwa atisikiza atijairira zvidoma.
Hey, that was
But nevertheless, that was a banger.
That was a banger. Also,
banger.
that was the first one, right? Mabude. Okay.
Mabude, shaman. But hey, shout out to Tanto Wavie, Mabude, guys. Amasungura EP, that's a banger, guys.
That's a banger, guys.
Bro. That's a banger. Shout out to him, though. But
shout out to Tanto Wavie.
Without further ado, guys, thank you for watching this playlist of the Amasungura EP.
Yes, sir.
Shout out to Tanto Wavie, bro.
Shout out.
This is crazy. In Zonda Taura, guys. Tanto amana.
Achama project wangu.
Is tunangouya uzona studio
session.
One.
Please.
Making a beat from scratch. One into na kuona level ya unongori because no usvika level hiyo.
Ndomakunzwana namaziwa msemle.
Because inkana indiri pana be ari pana basha.
Memsikana muzwana.
Tofana tiri
simle.
Eheka.
So that he melful.
Tataro katoona kuti akupikidza sei zvino.
Maize.
Because
it's too much. It's hard.
Hey, shout out to Tanto Wavie, guys. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe. Comment down below what you think of this EP, what you think of this song. And once again, guys, comment down below if you missed us, because we really missed you guys.
Comment down below.
Promise, I will try not to be gone this long again, guys.
Yeah.
But
yeah, we try.
If we're gone for this long, we're just trying to make things better, production and all that. So we're trying our best. And yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Please go subscribe to my boy's channel.
Yes, sir.
Subscribe to my channel, guys. 10K, road to 10K, guys. Road to 10K.
Soon.
Ew, when was this out to 10K? 10K, guys.
000.
That's crazy, bro.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Anyway.
It's crazy.
Yes, sir.